participated in virtually every conflict and major humanitarian effort since. Ladies and gentlemen, directly before you, the United States Navy Lockheed C-130 Hercules. The C-130 has been widely used as an aerial refueling platform, cargo transport, medical evacuation airlifter, reconnaissance asset, and even as tactical gunships. In addition to its military role, the C-130 has seen great use in many humanitarian efforts, including operations in the Congo, Somalia, Bosnia, Kosovo, Japan, and even in New Orleans following the aftermath of Hurricane Katrina. The U.S. Coast Guard also operates C-130s, and they too utilize a similar system to deliver rafts and other life-saving devices. On board, the C-130 can be equipped to hold 2 to 3 Humvees, 2 M113 armored personnel carriers, or 1 CSAR self-propelled howitzer. The Herc stands in at nearly 3.5 stories tall and has a wingspan of over 132 feet. Repositioning to our right. Our crew today from VRC-64 will now reposition the Herc for a slow speed pass in the landing configuration. Approaching with the flaps down and the gear extended, it will give you a great look at this important military airlifter. On the right, the C-130 Hercules. Ladies and gentlemen, how about that? What a rare treat to see the C-130 in flight. Let's give a big round of applause for the crew from Joint Base McGuire-Dix Lakehurst and today's flyby of the Lockheed C-130 Hercules.